Welcome to today's video where we will be discussing the impact of artificial intelligence on jobs. In today's news, we have another example of AI replacing human jobs, this time at tech giant IBM. IBM has announced that it plans to pause and slow down hiring for non-customer facing roles, such as human resources, as it believes that AI could automate many of the tasks performed by these hires. This move will affect around 26,000 employees within IBM, and the company expects to replace about 30% of these roles with AI and automation over a 5-year period. That's equivalent to around 7,800 jobs. However, IBM has emphasized that no people currently working in these positions will be fired to make way for AI. But any roles vacated by attrition won't be filled. It's worth noting that like many other tech giants, IBM has already announced job cuts earlier this year in response to the economic downturn and post-pandemic blues, and it will be laying off around 5,000 workers in total. An IBM spokesperson tried to put a positive spin on the announcement, stating that there is no blanket hiring pause in place and that IBM is being deliberate and thoughtful in their hiring process, with a focus on revenue-generating roles. They are also being selective when filling jobs that don't directly touch clients or technology. IBM is actively hiring for thousands of positions right now. However, any company that publicly announces it is replacing humans with AI is going to find little goodwill from the public. A recent survey found that most people don't want a company AI to do the hiring, firing, or promoting, and 2/3 of Americans would not even want to work for an employer that uses an AI recruiter. The same report found that while most people believe AI will have a major impact on workers over the next 2 decades, just 28% think it will affect them personally. This may be wishful thinking, as we've seen companies like Blue Focus Intelligent Communications Group Company, one of China's largest media and public relations firms, announcing plans to replace external copywriters and graphic designers with generative AI models. And closer to home, Dropbox recently admitted that the recent advancement of AI was mostly to blame for the company's decision to lay off around 500 people. While AI can bring many benefits, such as increased efficiency and productivity, it's important to acknowledge the potential impact it can have on jobs. Companies should be transparent about their plans and provide support for employees whose roles may be affected by AI. What do you think about IBM's decision to pause and slow down hiring for roles that could be replaced by AI? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.